Y'all, look at this child. This is ghetto. It's my mother and her friend. Y'all, they want to say something for the camera. Go ahead. I gotta tell y'all what happened this morning. It's so crazy. Today is Friday. Today we are going to celebrate my mom's birthday. Y'all, I gotta tell y'all what happened this morning. It's so crazy. Why? This morning when I was getting ready to go to work, why my car wouldn't start? Car wouldn't start. So then I had to put 2 and 2 together. Come to find out, Navaya had came downstairs yesterday. She had came downstairs yesterday and got something out the car and left the light on. So when I came down here, I didn't see the light on, but the battery died. So, y'all, I was thinking about taking off half day of work, but I said, you know what? The Holy Spirit just told me, you know what? You need this day off. So I just took the whole day. I needed it. I did. But yeah, y'all. But my insurance, they came to start back up the car and everything worked out. So everything is good. So right now we are currently about to go to Papacito's Cantina and for my mom's birthday dinner. So I will hit you guys back when we get there. So y'all, she over here trying to put her edges, do her edges at the table. And she's trying to put makeup on and all of that. She don't need no makeup.
Yeah, you know we do.
It's my mother and her friend. Mom, say hello.
Say hello, girl.
Say hello. Y'all put happy birthday down below in the comments. Say hello, just wave. No, that's it. Hello.
My friend got me for my birthday.
Oh,
Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine.
oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
I thought that was my friend. I said that look like her.
Y'all, look at this child. This is ghetto. She doing her edges at the table. Tell them what you want to drink. What you want to drink?
There's a drink when you're in there. If you want to take a listen or drink water while you're looking.
Shake my head. I told you. Say hello. Say hello.
Do you have a pretty face?
You know how to say hello? Say hello to the vlog. State your name, social security number, and birthday.
That's a lot of beef at the lot. They got lots of stuff on mine.
Papa.
They got lots of
Papa.
stuff.
Papa.
Yeah, right. Y'all, they want to say something for the camera. Go ahead.
Thank God for this day. It's my friend's birthday, which is a great day to me, and we're just thankful for being alive and God sending us all the blessings that He's sending that we're here together today. And we plead the blood of Jesus over the table and everybody that comes, we all get along.
Amen. Amen. This is the definition of black people being late all the time.
Black people being late.
All the time.
All she needs, she gonna put it in the bank. You know, she's just like our daddy. She put everything in the bank.
That cost us right. Very hard.
What she got? It's blurry.
Send me that video.
Mom, Papacito's
cream? Let me see. What is that?
All right.
She said y'all want it.
All right, y'all. This look a little blurry. We just got done eating. Y'all, it was a possum over here.
Yeah, you for real?
Yes. You see it? It's right there by your feet. It's right here by your feet. I'm just playing. What I at? We finna take a quick picture. Okay. Well, I parked over here. Where they went? They moving too slow. Y'all, was a possum over here. I'm scared. I hope it's not hiding. Oh. We're back home. What's up, you guys? It is dark now. I'm so mad. I feel like I wasted a lot of my day too. Well, a lot of my morning actually.
Hi.
Yeah, y'all can't see her. But yeah, you guys, we're about to
That means I'm
end.
black.
No, you are black. You ain't dark. I mean, whatever. This child crazy. All right, you guys, we're about to end this vlog. It's getting late and I gotta edit. So we will hit y'all back in the next vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.